Hey everybody, my name is Justin Humphreys. I'm from Hamilton, Alabama, which if you don't know where that is, it's in northwest Alabama, pretty close to the state line. I graduated high school from Hamilton in 2006, where then I went to Northwest Shoals Community College for 2 years, and then I finished up my undergraduate at Athens State, getting my degree in physical education. I started out teaching at Vina High School for 3 years and did PE there. And then when I moved to Hamilton, I now teach at Hamilton and have for the past going on 5 years. When I came here, I moved over and started teaching in the classroom and teaching business education. And that's where I got started in career tech. I'm married for 9 years to my wife Chelsea. I have 3 daughters, Lydia, Lainey, and Layla. They're 7, 5, and 2. Some of the things we like to do, my kids love playing sports. We like anything outdoors, but I'm looking forward to this class. I think it's going to help me a lot, and my goals in my career are to go on and be an administrator at high school or even at the county level. But looking forward to meeting everybody and going through this class together.